Good morning, girls. Hi, Bear. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Neo. Hi, Phoebes. There's an ostrich, or a mare egg, sorry. How lovely. Oh, Miguel, can you go grab the 2 ice cream tubs at the house? Yeah, that's their food. I filled it up yesterday. You know, just inside the front door? Their worms and their seeds are in them. Thank you, sir. Hi. Got my loves. I need more water too. Set you guys here, and I'll be back. Yeah. Hi, girls. Squirrel, get out of here. You're not a chicken. Little squirrel. Hangs out in here all the time and thinks it's a chicken. You can get within a few feet of this little gaffer. Huh?
The chickens are okay with the squirrel?
I guess so. I thought they would chase it off like they chase small birds, but no.
Can open this? What the fuck?
Hey, no swearing on YouTube. Now I gotta make this video not kid friendly. I'll just go in the house behind you. And then the other one goes right over there. Right there, done. You can throw it at the base of the stairs. They'll just really like their Uncle Miguel. Like, I don't necessarily understand what they're saying, but that little conversation was so funny. It's like, whoa, you're too close to me.
Daily chatting.
Or is it Lego my ego? Chuk, chuk. Yep, you lay your egg, don't get broody. You know what? I don't want to take a chance that you're going to get broody, so I'm going to take the encouragement eggs out. Yeah, because it took me a month to get you laying again, girl. Don't give me that look. You don't need encouragement eggs. You know how to lay without them.
She's looking for them.
Yeah, don't. Okay, we're gonna close this door. We'll let you be in peace then. Good girl. Honestly, I took the eggs out. She sits her head up, gives me the stink eye. Like eye bulging stink eye. All right, are we happy, girls? Miguel and I have to get to work.
Right?
Be good. Especially you, Phoebe. See you later, guys.